Preparing for the NCCCO Rigger Level I exam? This guide covers the key domains and tasks you need to know. The NCCCO Rigger Level I certification is for professionals who handle basic rigging tasks under supervision. To earn it, you must pass 2 exams, a written test and a hands-on practical test. The written exam is a key hurdle consisting of 60 multiple-choice questions that you must complete within a 60-minute time limit. This certification is valid for 5 years and demonstrates your foundational knowledge of safe rigging practices. From identifying hazards to correctly using common gear and hitches. The written exam is divided into 4 knowledge domains, but they aren't weighted equally. The scope of the rigging activity is 15% and technical knowledge is 13%. However, the 2 most critical areas are inspection, which makes up 30%, and execution of rigging activity, which is the largest domain at 42%. Together, these 2 domains account for 72% of your total score. This is where you should concentrate the majority of your study time. Let's focus on the inspection domain. This part of the exam tests your ability to identify unsafe equipment that must be removed from service. You need to know the specific rejection criteria for all types of gear. This includes spotting cuts, melted areas, or break-in stitching on synthetic slings, finding kinks or broken wires in wire rope, and identifying cracks or stretching in chains. You'll also be tested on hooks with throat opening or twist, and hardware that shows signs of deformation. A largest domain, execution of rigging activity, covers the hands-on application of your knowledge. This includes correctly applying vertical, choker, and basket hitches, and understanding how sling angles affect load capacity. You'll need to know the proper use of shackles, hooks, and taglines to maintain positive load control. A key principle tested here is safety first. If a question asks what to do first, the best answer is usually the one that controls a potential hazard before the load ever moves. Beyond the written test, you must also pass the Level I practical exam. This is a hands-on evaluation of your real-world skills. During the exam, you will be asked to perform tasks like conducting a pre-use rigging inspection, correctly applying various hitches and connections, and tying basic knots. You can't prepare for this part just by reading a book. It's essential to get hands-on practice with actual slings, shackles, and other hardware, ideally under the guidance of a qualified trainer. To structure your preparation, follow this 4-week study plan. In Week 1, focus on the scope of activity, including hazard recognition and communication. Dedicate Week 2 to inspection, mastering the removal from service criteria for all your gear. In Week 3, concentrate on execution, practicing hitches, sling angles, and load control techniques. Finally, use Week 4 for completing timed 60-question practice exams and rehearsing your hands-on tasks for the practical exam. This structured approach builds confidence and ensures you're ready. You now have a clear roadmap for the NCCCO Rigger Level I exam. By focusing on the high-value domains of inspection and execution and getting hands-on practice, you can prepare effectively. To take the next step, visit the full article on open-exam-prep.com for more details and use our free practice questions to test your knowledge and build your skills.